Hello, everybody. We're going to be reading a new story today.
Hi.
And it's called Toy Story 3 Cowboy Fun with Sheriff Woody. Woody! A lovely story by Disney and Pixar. Come and meet my friends and find out more about toys. Hi there, I'm Woody. Woody is the leader of the gang. We love being played with, but not too roughly.
Oh no.
Whenever we argue, we always make friends again. Goodbye.
Oh. Oh.
Sometimes we get lost. It makes us sad when another toy takes our place. We like making new friends. Toys are the best. Welcome to Sunnyside.
Yay!
There's a few more pages. We're not done yet. Yeah, there's a few more pages. There, see?
Oh.
We don't like saying goodbye to old friends, but we love belonging to someone special. His name is Woody. Hi, I'm Molly.
Bye bye.
The end.
Bye. And if you want to know the behind the scenes, Daisy is the one that is saying and reading the story. And I am the one doing the sound effects.
Bye.
Bye.